Hello, bonjour. My name is Tash. I am your Western Canadian mentor with PRAVANA, and I am here today to show you how to get a Red Dahlia inspired color using our ChromaSilk as well as HydraGloss. Let's do this. I first sectioned off my model using the PRAVANA standard 5 section. I section this way because my model has very thick hair, and I find the more sections the better to feel more in control of the hair. Once she was all sectioned, my first step was to pre-lighten her hair. I started in the nape using 10 volume with ultra lightener, and I worked my way up to 20 volume with ultra lightener. I like using a low and slow method when lightening, especially with someone with so much hair, because it ensures that we won't overprocess those highlights. Once I was finished foiling, I checked my first foils, and I was happy to proceed applying my ChromaSilk cream hair color over her regrowth area. If your foils are ready, you could rinse and shampoo before applying her regrowth area. Rule of thumb is to always incorporate an N, an NT, or a 0.3 into your formula for optimal gray coverage. I let this process for 45 minutes, which is the recommended time for gray or more resistant hair coverage, never under any heat. I then shampooed with PRAVANA's Color Protect Cleanse, which has antioxidant properties which stop residual oxidation. My HydraGloss formula was 5R with 0 lift, always mixed 1:1. I wanted a beautiful bright red, and the 5R in HydraGloss gives me just those results. PRAVANA HydraGloss processes for up to 20 minutes, and I let it process for the full 20 as I wanted to see that 5R at its full potential. Once again, I shampooed using PRAVANA's Color Protect Cleanse and Condition. I decided to give my model a glam look, so I used a big barrel wand and took horizontal sections over her whole head. Once curled, I brushed it all out for a smooth but wavy finish. I hope you enjoyed that look today. Thank you for following along. Check me out at tashpotatoes_hair on Instagram. For more education and inspiration, you can check out pravana.com. Au revoir.